Zihambela phezulu ngelithi Solokaba imeya kulesifunda izinto zihamba ngendlela ezinye izakhamuzi zithi impicwa badala leyo.
The community of Beaufort West decided to march to the municipality buildings against lies and poor, very poor service delivery. We want to ask Mr. McKenzie to show us the proof of the Eskom bills and show us the proof of the money of the municipality.
DA Solo McKenzie ngoqoka izikhundleni abantu abangaphansi kweqembu lakhe.
It can safely be concluded that Mr. Velkomende was lured to the patriotic alliance with the corrupt promises that Gayton McKenzie's party would irregularly appoint him to the highly paid position of municipal manager without following any due process. The DA will now refer the matter to the MEC for local government in the Western Cape for urgent investigation.
SABC ithi ngamabonge ukuthi uMcKenzie uvale isikweletu sogesi eScom.
Umasipala akakwazi even nobhatala ngoku i-trucks ezibathi zophukile abakwazi ubhatala uAsla lo abamtshela i1 million rand abakwazi nolungisa indlela ezi uGayton McKenzie bethe bezilungisile apha.
Isiphendula McKenzie uthena phezulu kwalombhikisho kukhona okuhle okwenziwe iqembu lakhe kuleli dolobha.